So yeah, I'm a little bit darker than usual, and this is because I got a spray tan, you guys, which is pretty obvious. Obviously, it's not supposed to be looking like that, but trust me, in 6 hours from now when I'm gonna be washing it, I'm gonna be so tan to the gods, which I'm really living for because normally I am this color of the wall, you know? So today I decided to do a very different video with you, and it's basically come pack with me. I decided to do this video because I kind of figured that a lot of people are gonna go on spring break and vacation and all this kind of jazz, and also because me and my husband are actually going tomorrow to our honeymoon. Hi! We are so excited because, as you guys all know, our wedding got cancelled and our actual wedding ended up being just like a very basic wedding, I guess. So we decided to go back to Hawaii to celebrate our honeymoon. As I said, me and my husband love Hawaii so much. I don't have any luggages around me because Juicy's already having an anxiety attack and she knows that she's staying here. She's gonna stay here with Gabi. You guys all know Gabi, my best friend. So yeah, she's gonna be staying here. It's gonna be very interesting because we have never left her with anybody at all. But yeah, without further ado now, let's just move into the video. So as a swimsuit lover, I'm obviously going to be starting with all my swimsuit that I'm going to be taking with me. Now honestly, I know this is really doing the most because I'm only going for like, what, 4 or 5 days we're going to be there? 5 days for the most part. But then anyways, I kind of got this really cute swimsuit that looked like a wetsuit. And it has this zipper here. I got it from Forever 21, which I was like so shook about it. I was like, what? This is Forever 21? Okay, vibes like come through. And then it also have this here, says summer in like silver. So this is super cute. I got this in orange, and obviously I got it also in black because when you find something that you really like, you just ended up, you know, getting all the colors. They also had it in white, but I kind of like didn't know if the white will actually be, you know, see-through, and I don't want to take any risks, if you know what I mean. And so from here, I'm actually going to be moving to one of the swimsuits that I really like. I got it from Topshop last year. So this is like a ribbed white swimsuit, and it's kind of like double fabric. So when you go, you know, inside the water with this one, it's actually not see-through. So this is a vibe, and I'm obsessed with this. And sometimes I'm even wearing just the bra and the jeans. So just so you guys know that, this is, if you can get that in Topshop still, then it's a really good one. Now, moving on, I'm gonna be showing you the swimsuit of my dream. I got it last year from ASOS, but I've never worn that. I mean, as you guys can see, it still has this, so I've never worn that besides of like when I tried it. It's kind of like a high leg. It is super, this is everything. This swimsuit will give you the Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner body, but like without the surgery. So this was like 30 bucks, you know, versus the surgery, which is like 30K. So you're gonna make the decision and see which one fits your bank more. And also I have this swimsuit here, which is, you know, again, it's like a neon, and then it has this scrunchy kind of material kind of thing, and it has this sport bra. So this is like also super cute. I wish I had like a pink neon one that I found, but I don't. But I do have 2 more here that are super cute. I hope that they are here. They should be here. Yeah, here they are. I don't remember the name of the brand. So as soon as I'm done editing this video, I'm gonna put the brand down here in the description. So those are actually super cute. And it's actually made from crochet, as you guys can see. Look at this one. Super cute, and it's just like have this detail here in the shoulder, and it kind of have this tie front in here in the waistline, as well as I'm gonna be getting this one, which is also, it's like the same company. Let me just see the name of the brand. It's here somewhere. So it's called Mayo, I think Mayo, or I don't know if I pronounced it right, and if not, then I'm so sorry. Yeah, so this one is another one that is made out of crochet. So cute, and it has a belt. I mean, do we all live right now for the belt in this swimsuit? Do we live? Super cute, super bougie. It was gifted to me, so I don't really know the actual price. I think it's anywhere between 120 to 150, or I may be wrong. But then again, I'm gonna put all the links down here so you guys can check it out. And then from here, I'm gonna be moving. I do know that I have some more swimsuit, but I just don't know where they at right now. So you're gonna be seeing them when I'm gonna be in Hawaii, I guess, if you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, from here I'm gonna be taking this really cute straw hat, and I also have this one, which is from Scentsy Studios. This is so cute, and it's only like white one. And then from here, I think I'm gonna move into the bags that I'm gonna be bringing. Honestly, I'm gonna need a suitcase just for the bags alone, because...
Do we all see that?
Do we? Can we just?
Do you guys see how, I mean, how cute is this bag? It has like its own personality. This is also from Scentsy Studios. It's super cute. And obviously it's like a beach kind of a thing, you know? And I'm also gonna be bringing this really cute mini, kind of like, I don't want to say a fake Birkin, because I don't think they're trying to be a Birkin bag, but it's just like a cute, I mean, the shape is definitely like a Birkin, you know, so super cute, super chicky dicky, and it's also going to be coming with me. I also have this bag in here, which is from Shoe Fab. There is a brand called Shoe Fab, and it's just like a super cute, you know, black bag, just like this one. And I also have these two bags, which is, you know, it's like, this one is from Lola Shootique, but I got it last year from them.
Super cute.
And I also have this Gucci fanny pack, which will come super handy, because I'm not trying to be, you know, I'm not trying to be bothered with all these carrying around. So a fanny pack is always a good idea. Now from here, I think we're gonna be moving into the clothes and shoes and all this kind of jazz. So obviously this one is a really, really cute find that I found at a vintage store. It's a Levi, and I'm almost positive that this was a man denim, but I don't really care, because this gives me a whole body, a whole waist, a whole snatchiness, you know, all this kind of jazz. Super cute. I'm obsessed, and I got it for $9, and no, you cannot beat that. So from here, I'm gonna be moving to this really cute skirt, which is like an acid mini skirt. Again, I got it from Misguided. Super cute. I got it last week, but I kind of feel like you guys have already seen that specifically on my Instagram again. And then moving to another item that I got, which is super cute. Oh my god, you guys, do you guys see that? Oh, is she? Look at this. I mean, this, you know, on the beach, you know, with the pineapple or coconut, whatever suits you really, is just gonna do the work. Another shorts in like a denim color, so this also comes with me. And then we have, oh, actually, do you know what? I found these from Forever 21, which I was so, I'm like, what? This is a biker shorts. Now, normally, Forever 21, if you buy a very cheap item, normally how it looks, but this one was $3, and let me tell you, Kim Kardashian is shook at the house, you guys. This is amazing, and I kind of regret that I didn't buy another one because it was $3. So if you see that in Forever 21, just so you know, it's a really good one. I'll try to find a link if I can, and I can link it down below here. Also, we have this really, really cute mini wrap skirt. I'm aware that you guys cannot probably see all the details on that skirt, but I promise you, the picture on the gram will show it to you better. Yeah, so it's gonna have this front tie, I guess you can tell, and this one is actually from White Fox Boutique. They also have it in white, and I kind of regret that I didn't got it in white, but it's what it is. It's too late right now. And then this here is actually from Lola Shootique. This is such a vibe. Okay, this dress is like an entire mood. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna put a picture in here like right next to me so you can see that. Look how cute that is. So this is like a satin dress, and it has these you know, scrunchy details. I don't know how would you call it, but anyways, super cute, super beachy, you know, like even for like, and you can dress it up, dress it down, especially if you're like on an island. So that's really cute. From here, we're gonna be moving to the best find of this year, you guys. And this is, if you saw it before, ta-da! This is Zara shoes, which I was so obsessed with as soon as I saw them. Do you guys see that? Wait, wait a second. Do you guys see that? Look how cute this shoe is. Oh my flipping god. I don't even know why we moved to shoes without like any warning before. But I guess that this is how this haul is going to look like because Juicy just got back home and she's not having it. She's not. From here, I'm gonna be showing you this, not this shirt, but this denim jacket. This is like an acid one. Again, I got it from Forever 21 about a week ago. It was kind of like $34. I kind of feel it's like expensive for Forever 21, but I don't know. On the other hand, it's denim, so maybe it's not that expensive. Also, I got another dress from Missguided. Look at this, so cute. I mean, obviously it has these details here in the sleeves, and I don't know, I really do like this dress, and I'm hoping that you guys can really see it in the camera. I don't have a monitor today, so I don't see what you guys are seeing. Yeah, and then from here, obviously it's not gonna be a vacation, you know, without a white blazer that you can wear with pretty much everything, I guess. Like a denim, shorts, anything and everything. Super cute. And then, well, this is not the last. I don't know why I was about to say last but not least, but this is definitely not the last item that you guys are going to see. Yeah, so this is a very cute denim oversized shirt from Missguided. It's super thick, so honestly I just kind of feel like if it's gonna get a little bit cold during like the afternoon-ish, then I might gonna be wearing it at the beach. This was the whole purpose of this shirt, let me just tell you. Yeah, and then we have this really cute, ignore the swimsuit because I'm not taking this one with me. So this one is just like a really cute tie front top, also from Missguided, and obviously I can wear it with a denim or, you know, just like shorts, any of that, or even like for the beach if I'm trying to get to be really extra, which I really hope that I'm not going to be, because they've said that if I will be very extra, he might as well gonna have a fight with me. He's just looking at me right now and he's like, He's just like seeing all the outfits and he realized that, you know, it's gonna be a lot of pictures, I guess. This is what's he realizing. So super cute. I mean, and we have, you know, the swimsuit here so that you guys can get the idea, I guess. And so from here, we also have another really bougie dress. I don't really know if I'm going to be wearing that, but just in case, I'm going to bring it with me. So this is like a milkmaid dress kind of a thing. It's also from Missguided. Super cute. I ordered that in white, but by accident, it arrived in black. So I was, you see, this is what happened. I did not choose the black one. They chose me. You know what I mean? They chose me. All my outfits are black, like everywhere. Everything is black. Like, could you guys see that? I'm going to Hawaii. I'm supposed to be wearing all neon, everything white. And no, do you see? I ordered that in white, but then again, I got it in a black color. So that's what it is. It's fine. I'm gonna leave. I'm obsessed with everything, you know. Like, I'm gonna wear, I mean, even now, do you guys see that? I have no hope at this point of my life. Also, we have another bag from Forever 21, which I got. I don't even know how long. Oh my god, this video is gonna be long. I'm just letting you know. Yeah, sorry about that, you guys. But from here, do you guys see what I mean? Okay, hold on. This is just the first item. Do you guys see what I mean? I don't buy colors. It's just like, it's just what I like. I mean, I don't even know how else I can describe it to you. Now, obviously, with these, I'm gonna have to put like pictures in here. So, so that you guys can get the full vibe of this top. Do you guys see? Do you guys see? This is everything. When I saw it, I was like, wow, Forever 21 really came through this year. I don't know what happened. Now, with this one, I got it in size medium. So I can only hope that it's fit me or whatever, because if not, I'm just going to be so mad. Can we open? Thank you. Wow. Okay, thank you. Next. Woohoo! You guys, I was waiting for this top for so
long.
Because let me tell you, this top is basically $1,500 somewhere else. Obviously, it's designer supposed to be, supposedly. And yeah, anybody got time for that? So anyways, it's like a backless kind of a top with this tine. This is everything. It's a medium size. I hope it's fit me. I don't even know. I didn't even try it. As you guys saw, I just opened it with you here. Yeah, and then last but not least, what is it? I don't even remember what I ordered, you guys. Oh, that's a boyfriend. Did I order that? I did not even remember. So this is like a denim shorts, which is super cute. It's kind of reminded me of Khloe Kardashian. I don't know why not right now. Well, I don't really get the vibe right now of Khloe Kardashian, but anyways, that's the shorts. Seems like this is going to be very big on me, so I'm not even sure I can take it right now. So not a vibe, but again, it's super cute. As you can see, obviously if it wasn't my size, it could be a vibe. And right now someone is calling me, and I don't know why it has to be right now. Yeah, last but not least, because this is definitely the last bag of this tutorial or whatever video. So I obviously got this really cute dress from Urban Outfitters. So I'm just gonna open the bag. 1 second, I'm gonna show it to you. By the way, I think I'm almost positive that by now this dress is sold out. So this is the dress, super cute, and I'm planning on wearing this one with like the denim jacket. Oh my god, my phone will not stop. So this is super cute dress, and it's kind of like ribbed. And last but not least is obviously it's just like a leggings from Adidas, which I'm planning to wear to the airplane. So it's nothing really, you know, that it's for the vacation. Oh my god, my phone, you guys. And then yeah, so that is the leggings. So that is pretty much completes this haul. Obviously I do have some more stuff, but I really don't know where it's at right now, and that is pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you might as well want to follow me to Hawaii. And that is it. I guess I will see you guys on my next video on Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!